Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Know the Fundamentals. Today in this video, we will learn how to write months of the year in cursive handwriting. So let's begin with the video. So as we know, the first month of the year is January. J A N U A R Y. January. The second month of the year is February. F E B R U A R Y. February. The third month of the year is March. M A R C H. March. The fourth month of the year is April. A P R I L. April. The fifth month of the year is May. M A Y. May. The sixth month of the year is June. J U N E. June. The seventh month of the year is July. J U L Y. July. The eighth month of the year is August. A U G U S T. August. Ninth month of the year is September. S E P T E M B E R. September. The 10th month of the year is October. O C T O B E R. October. The 11th month of the year is November. N O V E M B E R. November. 12th month of the year is December. D E C E M B E R. December. I hope you have learned all the 12 months of the year and have seen its spelling. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.